I didn't even notice this until like after I purchased it. I saw it and it looked cool. Wow, I don't want to take them off. Hey, what's up? I'm Jessica, and today I am showing you the little haul that I got from Zara's most recent sale. And I have 7 things to show you guys. So I'm going to start with the tops first, and let's just get right into it. So this first item actually wasn't on sale, but I had a feeling that it wouldn't be there if I didn't get it. So I got it. It's a jacquard knit top. And here's the material up close. I just really liked the pattern and the colors in this top. It's orange and green. And I also love, like, I didn't even notice this until like after I purchased it, but it has little hearts in it, and I'm sure like anybody would notice that, but I just thought it made it even more cute. So I'm gonna try it on. So here's what it looks like on. I really love it. It's form-fitting, but like it feels totally comfortable. It's soft, and it is a crop top, so I'm wearing my high-waisted jeans with it. And here's what it looks like in the back. I just love the pop of color, honestly. It's really cool to have things that are colorful and not just basic colors. It can make an outfit like cool. Like I'm wearing jeans and it just like, it goes with it. But I'm sure it could go with other things too. But just for the purpose of trying it on, I'm just wearing jeans right now. I like it a lot. They also had one in blue. It was light blue and then dark blue, the same pattern and everything. I don't know if they have that one anymore either, and I don't know if they're gonna have these shirts in the future because sometimes they restock the items, but I like this shirt a lot. So the next item I got was actually on sale, and it is a jacquard Space Invaders vest. And let me show you what the material looks like up close. So it's actually pretty thick. So now I'm gonna try this one on. All right, so here's what this one looks like. And I love it so much. It feels thick, but it also feels lightweight at the same time. So that's really nice. And I just had to get this one. I just felt like it was like a classic type of thing. It has Space Invaders on it. I had to get it. So, and plus I just like that it was like this nice light color. I'm really glad that I got this because it just feels really great. It's also a crop top too, and then here's what it looks like on the back. There's nothing on the back, it's just knitwear. And like I said, you can wear stuff like this like with other things. I just put on some jeans today. So I actually only got 2 tops from the sale, and the rest are all like bottoms, and I did get 1 dress. So I got this dress. I mean, you can't really see it, but it's a dress, and here's the back. So it's open back, but I'm not gonna wear it open back. That's just not me. Like, I'm gonna put a top underneath. I got this dress because when I was little I had a blazer dress, and I grew out of it, but I loved it so much. And obviously when I was little it did not have the open back. I loved it so much, and I was kind of looking for something similar. So when I saw that they had this on Zara's website, I was like, okay, I'm getting that. And I'm so happy I did because I love it, and it's actually pretty thick, so I will try this on. Okay, so I've moved my camera back a little bit so you guys could see what this looks like, and here it is. Hoping you guys can see the bottom because I'm like standing as far back as I can. But I put on some leggings, and then I put on, you can actually wear like stockings or something with these. I have leggings and they kind of look like stockings, so I just put them on. And then I also put on these boots that I have. I've had them for a while now. They're Jessica Bennett's. These pockets are fake, but that's okay. And then here's what the back looks like. Tied it up and stuff too. I really like this. It's really nice, and it's good to have too in case I do need to dress up for any reason. And this is probably exactly how I would wear it. I might put my hair up though. I feel like that would look better. And by the way, this dress was on sale too. And then the other items I got are bottoms, so let's get to that. So the next item I got is this plaid mini skirt. Here's what the material looks like up close. So it's kind of like, I guess, an office type of style, but it's not. So I guess maybe dark academia style would work best for this, but yeah. So let me try this on. Alright, so here's what the skirt looks like on. And it is like a little bit high-waisted, but I like it. I like it because it's something different. It's something I wouldn't normally purchase, but I saw it and it looked cool. I think it looked cool because the model wearing it was wearing a hoodie, so it could be dressed up or dressed down. I like it. I think it's cool. I will make use of it. So then the next item I got is a faux leather skirt. And I've always kind of been a fan of Zara's skirts for some reason. I just like them, especially the faux leather ones. They make them look really cool for some reason. So I got this one, and you can see the shorts on the back. I mainly liked the button details here. I just thought it made the skirt look amazing. So I will try this. Okay, so here's what it looks like on. Here's the back. Love it. It's like super soft. I don't know if it's still that like dark academia style or whatever. I wasn't really going for that. I just pick whatever I like and I end up wearing it just because I have so many different styles. Like I don't have a specific style that I wear all the time. So I like it. I think it's cute. I don't know if I'd wear it with this top. I have plenty of other tops to like pair with it. I think something else might work better. I'm just trying it on with this top because it's black and it's easy to pair with. And I was so glad I snagged these because they went out of stock. And I was so sad because I had been eyeballing them. And if you don't hop on the Zara sale real quick and have everything like ready in your cart, it will be gone. Just like these were. But they magically popped up again and I got them. And I was so excited. So after the dress, the skirt, and this skirt, I got these plush jogging pants. And I mainly got them for like around the house. Here they are up close, the material. And the inside is really soft. So I'm gonna show you the inside material as well. I'm gonna try these on. Okay, so here are the pants. I just put on some little house shoes with them. They are really, really soft, really comfortable. They have pockets, which is great. I'm really glad I got these. These are really, really comfortable and really, really nice. Wow, I don't want to take them off. I should have tried these on last so I could just keep them on. And I like this color. They had other colors as well, and I believe they're still available on the site. And I think they could also be worn outside, honestly. Like, if that's your style, these are great. Finally on to the last thing, and these are just called pants with pockets. And I got this mainly because they look like cargos, and I really like cargos, like a lot. And I also like this color. I don't have this color, and it was a really nice green color. Here they are, and then here's the bottom. It has a zipper, so you can open up the leg and undo this button, or you can make the leg a little tighter with these two extra buttons. And then it has back pockets as well. Let's try these on. I really like these. Okay, so here are the pants. I paired them with platform like boots. That way my pants aren't dragging so much on the ground, even though the ends of the pants are like in that ripped style so that it could possibly be dragged. I really like these. I love how loose they are. There's just days when you don't want to wear tight things, and these are perfect. And the pockets are great. They're really big, as you can see. Oh, I forgot to mention that there's no area for a belt, but they do have the tie, like on sweatpants. They have the tie inside the pants, so you can't see it. And I think that's really cool. So here's what they look like in the back. I really like this color. Can't wait to wear these. I think they're really cool. And they're not like, I didn't order them oversized. Like, I bought them in my size. So they're meant to be loose for people who are like, they are too loose. No, they're meant to be loose. So that is my little haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got from the sale. I think it was like the end of the year sale. So I hope you liked my little Zara haul. I haven't done a clothing haul in quite a while, so if you like this one, make sure to give it a like, and if you are new, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Let me know which item you like the best or how you would style it. I will see you next time.